Send USDT from bitget to tonkeeper wallet. How to send USDT from bitget to tonkeeper wallet? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, open the bitget app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, after that, tap on assets, and from the top part, tap on spot and tap on withdraw. Now, after that, if you don't find the USDT here, just search for it here. Now from here, we'll tap on USDT. Now tap on it on-chain withdrawal. As you can see, the coin is with USDT, but the network change it to Ton because you want to send to tonkeeper. Now we need to withdraw all this. I will float this window. And now after you open the tonkeeper app, we need to receive the USDT. Just tap on USDT and tap on receive. Just tap on receive. And now copy the withdrawal address from here. I will just expand this, or just tap on it and it will copy. Now after that, go back to bitget and paste the withdrawal address. Now you don't need the memo, but the amount, type how much you want to send, and this is how much you will pay for the fee, and this is how much you will receive. Now after you are ready to go, just tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction, and you will be able to send USDT from bitget to tonkeeper wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.